Here are the materials that we first started off using. First we have perlite, which took a good chunk of our mix. And then we have a bag of Quikrete, which we ended up separating out the mid-size aggregate. And here are our fibers.
So this is the mold we used. It was actually a light fixture bulb. In here, this is actually us separating out the aggregates to sort them out into like the large aggregate, all the fines, and then the cement, and then all the small aggregate. Here's the large. Here's the fines. And here's the small.
Then here we added some glue. We mixed it into some water for the concrete mixture. And then after that, we weighed out the bowl, zeroed it out on the scale, and then started weighing out our materials for the rest of the mixture. And at the end, we all mixed it together in order to start putting it into the mold.
This is how our mold looked once we poured in all the concrete. This is how the bowling ball came out at last once it got sanded down. And we decided to add some Flex Seal, and we added some paint just so it can look pretty.